Hi, I'm Nora. It was a sunny Saturday when I decided to try something new. I walked down Main Street, looking for a place to eat. Then I saw Cafe Delight. Its warm lights and cozy look caught my eye. I stopped to read the menu posted outside. I pushed open the door and stepped inside. The host welcomed me with a smile and showed me to a small table by the window. As I sat down, I looked around. Families and friends were chatting and eating. It felt lively and happy in there. The menu was full of options. What should I try? I thought about it for a while, wanting to pick something good. When the waiter came, I had questions. "What's your special today?" I asked. He described a dish that sounded amazing. I could see the chefs cooking in the open kitchen. It was fascinating to watch them make meals with such skill. My meal arrived, and it looked wonderful. The smell was inviting, and I couldn't wait to taste it. With the first bite, I knew I made a great choice. The flavors were perfect. I enjoyed every bit of it. As I finished my meal, I felt proud and happy. Eating out alone was a new experience for me, and I really liked it. I paid the bill and thanked the staff. They were so kind and made my first solo dining experience special. As I walked out into the evening, I looked back at Cafe Delight. I knew I would come back again. It was a day to remember.